Well, folks, we're building. So I am building this aeroponic tower, which is going to be a hydroponic. If you're into hydroponics, you know stuff that grows in water. So this is a neat little tower that's going to house something that looks a little bit better than this. So this is the first one put together like that. So of course it's all different colors and all that, but it works really, really well. It creates a really solid mist chamber for the plants, and so the entire thing is just mist, and it's beautiful. And the plants, God, look at that. Look how deep, dark color those are. These are all from seed in here. So now granted, you see all the duct tape and all that. So I've been working on different things to kind of fix that. Kind of adding a little thing here, and then this will slide down and create a little bit better adhesion. I'm trying to do it without like completely breaking it, so maybe I'll loosen that up a little bit. It gets, you get, when you start printing, maybe you need to drop off like a 1/10 of a millimeter or 100th of a millimeter, to get the size exactly right. But so this one's, this is taking all the learnings that I got from this thing. This was, I did that piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, and then of course all the way up to the top, and then I finally get it right up here. So so this is of course fixing all those to create something similar here that this is going to look like. So anyway, so I'm testing all this out. I got the printers going nice and crazy. Saturday evening, everybody else going out having fun. I'm printing plant stuff. So there you go. That's what kind of life I've got. But anyway, that's kind of neat. You see how these things work? Isn't that cool? Takes the plastic from up here, if you're not familiar with 3D printing. So it'll take this. This is ABS, right? This is a food safe. It's a very high temperature melting point. So it's good for plants and stuff like this. And because one, it's solid, it doesn't leak, and it also doesn't degrade as quickly as some of the other types of like plant-based type of plastic. So, but yeah, look at that. So it goes line by line by line by line until it creates something similar to that. And you see the print surface, so it's not very big. I got this one going too. Oh, and that one's going. Kind of cool, isn't it? It's hot too. So here are the temperatures. You can see here 270 degrees Celsius. So I guess that's close to over 400 Fahrenheit. And that one is, of course, going to be holding the mister. So, and of course, these all come from designs. So you digitally work on a design, you create that, then send that over to the printers. It slices it, meaning that it goes line by line by line, and usually like 2/10 of a millimeter slices. So this is what, and everything's a millimeter because this stuff started in Europe. So as Americans had to learn some metric. So yeah, so this is like 11, maybe 11 centimeters. So that means that it's a lot of lines. So like 400 something lines for this stuff. But you see how solid it is? That's why I like this plastic. It's solid, it's sturdy. I mean, it's not completely unbreakable, but this, you're not gonna break this. Made out of the same plastic. Even looks cute, right? Little sheep hanging out with the thing. So, but anyway, I just want to show you all how this stuff is made, how this came to be. And so right now I'm printing these out. So these come out, right? Then of course this part is where the plants go in, and it'll look something like this. So it has like a net pot put in it, and then of course the block goes in here, and this just kind of, this one doesn't of course fit this, but the newer versions of course they all fit. They fit fine. You get a nice cozy fit. This fits right in. This is one of the earlier ones that I did, so the size was a little off, but anyway. And then of course this here, this is the tubing that runs up here. So you have this thing, this is your controller that pulls the solution up from the bucket, and then it sends it up here, and then there's one mister up at the top that just does a mist, and it just goes all the way down, and it keeps everything moist. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, so as I get it built, I'll show you how to put these things together, and of course I'll release it, and y'all can print these out yourselves and make your own little neat little towers. Just get a friend that has stuff like this, and then you'll be all set. All right, well, I hope y'all have a good evening. I wish y'all the best, and take care.